Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to translate images using Google Lens. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to translate images with Google Lens, all you gotta do is simply go to Google. Once you're in your Google, you can find the camera light icon on the right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on it and select the photo you want to translate, or simply open the camera to pinpoint the photo you want to translate. So there you can find the translate button. Simply tap on the translate button and tap on change language. Once you change language, you can simply select the language you want to change that in. Once you have tapped on the language you have changed into, you can find that the detected language will be changed into the language you have selected. So this is how you can translate images using Google Lenses. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.